Meteorologist Ryan Breton joins us. I was just looking off to the radar over here. The western part of our state is looking very busy at this hour.
Lit up with flashes of lightning, heavy rain out that way. But like so many times this summer so far, I don't think many of these storms will make it to the coastline, especially mid-coast and down east. Yeah, there may be a couple that make it down toward Portland, but the air is a little bit more stable once you get toward eastern Maine. The concern this evening is going to be some of these slow-moving storms. The only warning we have in the state right now is in Aroostook County, and that storm is actually starting to weaken. But in the foothills and western mountains, these have been pretty slow-moving and moving over some of the same areas. So some minor flooding can't be ruled out in this area over the next couple of hours as these storms continue to evolve. Right now, the strongest one with quite a bit of lightning on the north side of Long Lake, headed right toward Bridgeton at this point. Waterford, very heavy rain. This extending back toward Paris, although the rain not quite as heavy there. It's more evolving than moving, but it is at least now starting to move, which is a good thing, because if it sat over the same towns repeatedly, that's when we'd have some concerns for flash flooding. But at the moment, there are no warnings out for this particular storm. It is moving to the southeast, so if it holds together, Otisfield about 5:40, and after 6 o'clock, getting into Poland. Central eastern Maine is dry, and then the one warning we do have in the state right now is for this thunderstorm in Aroostook County, but this is now weakening as it's approaching Route 1. Otherwise, we have a big range in temperature out there right now. 60s on the down east coast where we've had low clouds, some fog all day long, but into the 80s where we saw the sunshine over western Maine and New Hampshire. It is soupy out there with dew points in the 60s to around 70, and we're not going to get much relief. This front just kind of washes out over us through the night tonight. So if you're stepping out this evening, the highest chance for any showers and storms will be through central Maine between now and about 7 or 8 o'clock. And we may get a shower down to the coast, but I don't think we'll have much severe action near the coast tonight. We'll start tomorrow morning with areas of clouds and fog on the mid-coast and down east, but I think a lot of us see sunshine develop tomorrow, and it is going to be a hotter day tomorrow. High temperatures up around 90 degrees inland, mid to upper 80s along the coastline, and then we probably have a southerly wind that kicks in later in the day tomorrow that drops the temperatures back at the coast. On Wednesday, again, we'll start off with low clouds and fog. It may take a while to break those apart on the down east coast, but a lot of us on Wednesday are sunny and hot again, with high temperatures on Wednesday in the mid 80s for most of us on the mid coast and southern Maine coast, and into the low 90s on Wednesday inland. So going to be a hot and humid day on Wednesday as well. For the Mariners tomorrow, seas 1 to 3 feet with a southwesterly wind about 5 to 10 knots. So the next 2 days, hot and humid, not expecting any storms tomorrow or Wednesday. The next chance will be on Thursday. It's mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Very humid on Thursday as well. There could be a lingering storm on Friday, but that's with the front that finally breaks the humidity. Each of the next few days are going to be humid, and then it feels very, very comfortable heading into the weekend. Right now, I really like the way Saturday looks, and maybe we can push that Sunday shower into Monday as we get closer.
That would be great if we could just do that through the week, slowly push that off. All right,
bet.
Sounds very good. Thanks, Ryan.